Dean Hammond, and this is a DeLorean, 1982. My uncle actually purchased it, I think in '83, and he pretty much stored it in his garage for about 30 years. And when I was a kid, I told him I wanted to buy it from him someday. And 10 years ago, I went to Ohio and I trailered it back to Iowa and had to do a little work on it because he only had like 4,600 miles on it at the time. I put on about 1,000 more miles. With a DeLorean, there's not a whole lot you can do with them unless you want to turn them into a time machine, but the license plate I had, got that, and I got a flux capacitor in there. I do have a few Back to the Future things. Usually you find people pulling their phones out. As a matter of fact, on my way here, I was followed by someone coming up next to me with their phone and taking pictures and stuff like that, so it does draw a lot of attention. So.